Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your data frameworks with TensorFlow easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have TensorFlow installed on your system. If you haven't installed it yet, open your command prompt or terminal. Type pip install TensorFlow and press enter. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once TensorFlow is installed, open your preferred code editor or IDE. Create a new Python file in your project directory. Begin by importing TensorFlow at the top of your script. Use the command import TensorFlow as TF. Next, check your TensorFlow version to ensure it's correctly installed. You can do this by adding print tf__version__ in your script. Now, let's define a simple data framework. Start by creating a number py array for your data. Import number py by adding import numpy as np. Create your data array with data equals np.array, replacing the ellipsis with your data points. To build a model, use tf.chars sequential to initialize a sequential model. Add layers to your model using the .add method. For instance, start with a dense layer, model.add, tf.chars.layers, dense, units equals 10, activation equals relu. Compile your model by calling model.compile and specifying the loss and optimizer. For example, use model.compile, loss equals mean_squared_error, optimizer equals atom. Now, prepare your data for training. Split your data into features and labels to train the model effectively. Use the command model.fit, features, labels, epochs equals 10 to start training. Monitor the training process and adjust the number of epochs if necessary. After training, evaluate your model's performance using model.evaluate. Input your test data to get the final evaluation metrics. To make predictions with your model, use model.predict, new_data. Pass in new data to see how well your model performs. Finally, save your trained model using model.save, my_model.h5. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.